Hey guys, welcome back to the SRK Photoworks YouTube channel. I'm back again with new AI photo editing tutorial. Recently, this AI editing is trending everywhere. This AI generates amazing pictures for you. You just need to type your name, jersey number or anything you want in the picture. AI will listen these instructions and will generate amazing pictures for you absolutely in free. These are some images I generated with this AI. Don't worry about the prompts guys. At the end of video, I have shared some amazing prompts. So watch the video till the end. Let's start. First, turn on the mobile data. Then open Google or any browser you have. Now just click on search bar and type Bing Image Creator AI. I have given website link in description. Click on second search result. Now just copy and paste the prompts I have given in comment section. Just type your name and jersey number. You can modify this prompt if you want to add anything. If you are from another country, just erase Indian and you can type your country name there. Like this, you can create many prompts. Now just click on join and create. If you don't have Microsoft account, just click on create one. You can create account with your email or phone number. I'm creating with mobile number. Now just type your phone number and click on next. Type password and click on next. Type your first name and last name and click on next. Type your birth date, day, month and year. Tomorrow is my birthday guys, don't forget to wish me. And click on next. Now just click on next. It's a small verification. Just see the direction of hand and rotate dog's face there. Click on submit. Now you will receive OTP. Now just enter that OTP and click on next. Final verification. Click on next. See the direction of hand and click on submit. Verification complete. We successfully created account. Now AI started working on your picture. It takes few seconds and you can see here is our final result. Let's try one more. After that I will show you how to save the picture and problems and their solutions. Just copy paste new prompt. You can change your name, don't forget to change, otherwise SRK photos will come on your t-shirt. It's loading. But you guys, there is only one problem, that you can't edit unlimited pictures. There is daily 25 picture limit. I have the solution. Just create new account with new Gmail or phone number and now you can edit more pictures.